Cockpit now. It seems that we are having some type of turbulence. Please listen to your safety instructions from your no, never mind. Stewardess person is now going to be handing out your pamphlets for safety. When those masks fall down, when you see them start coming down around your face, don't worry about putting them on, ladies and gentlemen. We will be hitting the ground. It appears that a large seagull has lodged itself in our fuel tank and has begun to swell in the beak area where they usually trap the fish, but we know it won't last long. So,
Jeremy, have him lean.
This way! This way!
Oh, didn't
You're dead, you're dead. Fall out everywhere.
Papers and action. And
Oh yeah, I did tell him the new safe zone is the yellow one.
I don't know.
How am I supposed to do that?
And your 5 minutes.
You look at your
will begin
paper.
I saw it.
Okay, and you have to be whatever that says.
now.
How the heck am I supposed to do that?
Why do you think this is funny?
Oh my God.
Do you not
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I don't think you can talk right.
No, she can.
No, she can't.
Oh my God. How the heck am I supposed to do that?
Where are you? What are you?
How am I supposed to be a pilot? The pilot's like, I don't know.
You're the pilot?
It says you think you're a pilot.
Okay, well, then you gotta run around and help people and tell them how sorry you are.
Y'all stink though. Alright, somebody gets the arms and I get the legs. Okay? We need help.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Oh my God, your feet stink. Oh. Dude. Camera girl stinks.
Honey, you stink.
Hold up.
No, my leg is over here. That's my leg.
I need help carrying the sleepy person.
Nine.
Sorry, and
Tell me where to go. Hold on,
She's having two horse.
you know how bad you stink right now? Oh, you stink like a dead skunk. Thank God. Don't forget on my back. Hey,
Don't step on me.
Do not hurt yourself, Casey.
Hey, can someone guide me where to go?
Stop. Hey, if you're blind, stop somebody. Say, somebody help me.
Somebody help me, please.
He's blind. What's wrong with you? You're hysterical?
You can still help.
You can help, yeah, to help him where to go. Just
Anna, your feet stink. Okay. Anna, do you know that?
you're gonna have to need one more person, huh?
Maybe not.
Want me to go get help?
Yes, please. Can you get
I'm supposed to be dead. Unconscious. I'm sorry.
But you're laughing.
Help! Somebody help me!
What's wrong with you, Casey?
Help! I'm too big to be unconscious. I hope there's not fire ants right here.
Oh God.
Help!
God.
I have to think because I can't touch it.
Rosa, what are you?
Dude!
Rosa, what are you?
Sis, sing row row. Your bow will help your friend, but you can't touch the.
Well, then you need to start singing.
I was singing.
If you can get everybody to sing, it might save them. But
Not me, I don't have any legs.
Don't get that.
what's the matter with you?
I have broken arms.
You have broken arms?
Bad.
Let me see. Oh no.
You didn't tell me that was there.
I thought it was dry. Oh, look, it's sink. Where is it?
Oh,
I just want to